I love not dying. It's something I personally love to do every day. And I have this little thing called the immune system to thank for that. It's why I can roll around in dirt and pat pigs and, well, not die. It's a great thing. Our immune system primarily has three functions that help protect us, and they are detect, deflect, and destroy. We'll start with deflect, the first line of defense. The skin serves as a barrier against germs, as it has an oily surface and is slightly acidic. It is also difficult to penetrate. Apart from the skin, there are other natural barriers, like mucous membranes. Mucous membranes serve to trap dirt and microbes and help sweep them away. Mucous membranes line all of your internal surfaces that are exposed to the outside, like your lungs and the inside of your nose, as well as some other parts of your body, like the inside of your mouth, your eyelids, and your sex organs. What happens if these natural barriers are breached? How does our immune system detect these pathogens in our bodies? Well, for that, there are these things called mast cells. Mast cells are cells that roam near blood vessels and lymphatic vessels, within nerves, throughout the respiratory system, and in the digestive and urinary tracts. These cells are constantly on the lookout for suspicious objects, usually unknown proteins. Once found, the mast cells release signaling molecules like histamine. This release of histamine alerts white blood cells to flow to the affected area. White blood cells are infection fighters, like lymphocytes. Which brings us to the third function of the immune system, destroy. B lymphocytes, or B cells, are white blood cells that mature in the bone marrow. Once matured, they roam around in your blood and lymph. B cells, however, can't fight anything until they've found their perfect match of antigen. Once they've found their perfect match, they quickly bind to the antigen, and they go into a cloning frenzy. Most of these clones become effector cells, which fight pathogens, but some become long-term memory cells. This ensures that if and when the certain antibody returns, there will be B cells to fight it. Obviously, the immune system is very complex, and I am unable to cover it all now, but if you would like to know more about the immune system and the way it operates, a great starting point would be Crash Course's series on the immune system. If you look up Crash Course Immune System in the YouTube search bar, I'm sure you'll find it.